Hey friends, let's be honest. Almost everyone wants to lose weight at some point. It's one of the most searched things on Google. Every year, millions of people make it their New Year's resolution. But here's the problem. There's too much information out there. Some say eat only soup. Others say avoid rice. Some promote low-carb diets. Others swear by low-fat diets. Then there are powders and pills that promise results without effort. It's confusing. It's frustrating. And for most people, it doesn't work. So today, let's break everything down in a simple, science-based way. No myths, no drama, just the truth. The science behind weight loss. Think of your body like a bank account. You deposit money and you spend money. If you save more than you spend, the balance goes up. If you spend more than you save, it goes down. Now replace money with calories. Calories in come from food and drinks. Calories out are used for everything your body does. Breathing, walking, sleeping, even thinking. When you eat more calories than you burn, your body stores the extra as fat. When you burn more than you eat, your body uses stored fat for energy. That's how weight loss works. How you burn calories. Most people think you only burn calories by exercising. That's not true. Your body is already burning calories even when you're not doing anything. Here's how it works. First is your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. This is the energy your body uses to keep you alive. Your heart, lungs, brain, and other organs work 24 hours a day. Even while you sleep, you burn calories. Next is the thermic effect of food. Your body uses energy to digest food. Protein takes the most energy to digest. If you eat 100 calories of protein, your body burns about 30 of those just during digestion. The last is physical activity. This includes everything from walking to working out. So even without exercise, your body is already doing a lot. The golden rule, calorie deficit. There are two ways to lose weight. Eat fewer calories or burn more calories. This is called a calorie deficit. If your body needs 2,000 calories and you eat 1,700, it will burn the extra 300 from stored fat. Over time, this leads to fat loss. It's simple but not always easy. Why starving yourself doesn't work. Some people take this idea too far. They eat way too little, thinking less food means faster weight loss. But that can backfire. Eating too little can mess up your hormones. It can make you feel tired, irritated, and hungry all the time. Your metabolism slows down, and it increases the risk of binge eating. Healthy weight loss is about balance, not suffering. The 4 pillars of fat loss. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, you need 4 things. A proper diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress control. If any one of these is missing, your progress slows down. Do diets like keto or intermittent fasting really work? There are hundreds of diets out there. Some say avoid carbs. Some say avoid fat. Others say eat only during certain hours. But what does science say? A study in 2017 found no major difference between low-carb and high-carb diets if calories and protein are the same. Another study from Sweden found that calorie deficit matters more than the type of diet. Keto might help with quick water weight loss, but it's not magic. And eating too much saturated fat long-term can be harmful. So here's the point. Stop chasing trendy diets. Focus on eating the right amount of calories, with balance. What should you eat? Your body needs all 3 macronutrients: carbs, protein, and fat. Carbs should come from whole sources like oats, lentils, and vegetables. Protein can be from eggs, chicken, tofu, or legumes. Fats should come from healthy sources like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Eat more whole grains, fresh vegetables, and clean proteins. Avoid ultra-processed and artificial foods. What should you avoid? Refined flour, like white bread and junk food. Added sugars in sodas, juices, and packaged snacks. Trans fats in fried and baked foods. Heavily processed foods that are high in calories but low in nutrients. These slow down your fat loss. Does exercise help with weight loss? Yes, absolutely. But don't expect to lose belly fat just by doing crunches. You can't control where your body burns fat from. It depends on genetics. Instead, combine cardio and strength training. Cardio burns calories fast. Strength training builds muscle, which boosts metabolism. Add some flexibility work like stretching or yoga to stay injury-free. Even 30 minutes a day is enough if done consistently. How stress and sleep affect weight loss. This is what most people ignore. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. This increases cravings and leads to fat storage, especially around the belly. Bad sleep also messes up hunger hormones. You feel hungrier the next day and eat more than you need. So fix your sleep schedule and find healthy ways to manage stress. It matters more than you think. Your 30-day plan. For the next 30 days, follow this simple routine. Remove refined flour, added sugar, and processed foods. Eat more whole foods, vegetables, and lean protein. Move your body every day for at least 30 minutes. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Find a way to stay calm and reduce daily stress. After 30 days, you'll feel more energetic, lighter, and sharper. This is not a hack. It's just how your body works. There's one powerful trick that most people don't even know about. It's called NEAT. That stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's the calories you burn from everyday movements that aren't workouts. Things like walking to the store, cleaning your room, standing instead of sitting, even fidgeting. These small actions might not seem like much, but they actually add up. In fact, NEAT can burn hundreds of calories per day without you ever stepping in a gym. So here's how to increase your NEAT. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Do short 5-minute walks after each meal. Stand up and stretch every 30 minutes. Clean your space regularly. Park your car farther away. Even pacing while on phone calls helps. This isn't hardcore exercise, but it keeps your body active all day long. And the best part? It doesn't feel like a workout, but your body still benefits. So during your 30-day plan, don't just rely on workouts. Move more in general. Keep your body in motion as much as possible. NEAT is your secret fat loss weapon. Quiet, easy, and super effective. Final thoughts. You don't need shortcuts. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need to starve. You need consistency. Focus on the basics. Calorie deficit, clean eating, daily movement, good sleep, and a calm mind. Stick with it and the results will come. Thanks for watching.